Hey there, ready to level up your game? Meet the JBL Quantum 950 wireless headset, your new secret weapon for total immersion. With 50mm carbon dynamic drivers, head tracking, and adaptive noise cancelling, it's built for gamers who play to win. Inside the box, you'll find the JBL Quantum 950 wireless headset, the base station, the detachable boom mic with windshield, a calibration mic, 2 replaceable batteries, a USB-C cable, a USB-C to aux cable, a pouch to carry and protect your headset, and a quick start guide. Let's set it up. Slide the power switch one step down on the headset. Plug the base station into your controller, PC, laptop, or any other device you game on, and enjoy 2.4 GHz low-latency audio. Want to take a call or listen to music? Connect via Bluetooth to your phone at the same time. That's dual wireless freedom. The 6mm cardioid mic is unidirectional and noise-canceling, so your teammates will only hear your voice. Plus, it's detachable for extra convenience. Time to personalize your sound with JBL QuantumENGINE. Connect the headset to your computer, connect the calibration mic, and put on the headset. Open JBL QuantumENGINE to create a sound tailored just for you. With head tracking, every sound stays fixed in space, adding a new layer of realism to your immersive listening. Dive deeper into your settings and tweak your sound, mic, and voice EQ for any mission. Hear every detail like you're right in the middle of the action. Fine-tune your listening experience with all the controls. And the cool thing is, you can change your settings with both your headset and base station. Adjust the volume, decide the balance of the game audio and chat audio, and mute your mic. Activate the spatial audio feature on your headset, and choose between the adaptive noise cancelling to get that truly immersive feeling, or ambient aware when you need to hear your surroundings. The JBL Quantum 950 is built for the long haul, and when your gear needs a refresh, swapping the mic, ear cushions, hammock, or even the battery is quick and painless. Those replaceable parts don't just keep your headset in the game longer, they make it a smarter, sustainable choice. You can keep your setup battle-ready. Out of power? Swap batteries in seconds. Each battery lasts up to 25 hours. Charge one battery in the base station, while the other keeps you in the game. You can also charge your headset directly through the USB-C port. 5 minutes of charging gives you up to 1 hour of playtime. And after 3 hours of charging, your battery is full and ready to go again. That's the JBL Quantum 950 wireless.